Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, so today I'll be trying to answer some of redox questions. The first question is, what's the difference between oxidation and reduction? So we could tell from the definition that oxidation is the loss of electrons during a reaction by a molecule, atom, or ion, while reduction involves a half reaction in which a chemical species decreases its oxidation number, usually by gaining electrons. So from this we could tell the difference is oxidation is gaining of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, while reduction is gaining of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Okay, the next question is, we are given a reaction. As it seems at the question, what is the total number of moles of electrons lost by 2 moles of aluminium? Okay, so here are the question. We could tell that each of the aluminium has 0 and 3 electrons. So from this we could tell that 0 times with 2 is 0 and 3 times with 2 is 6. So the difference between 0 and 6 is 6, so we could tell that the answer is A. The next question, 0.2640 grams of sodium oxalate is dissolved in a flask and requires 30.74 milliliter of potassium permanganate from a burette. To titrate it and cause it to turn pink to the endpoint, the equation for this reaction is, we are given the reaction here, and this is the question: how many moles of sodium oxalate are present in the flask? How many moles of potassium permanganate have been titrated into the flask to reach the endpoint? And what is the molarity of the potassium permanganate? Okay, so for A, we could tell that the moles of sodium oxalate, we could get it from divided the mass and molar mass of sodium oxalate, and it gives us 0.00191749 mole. Okay, for question B, how many moles of potassium permanganate have been titrated into the flask? From the balance equation, the oxalate and permanganate molar ratio is 5 to 2. So we could get the answer from this formula. The oxalate mole times by the molar ratio, which is 2 and 5, because the permanganate is being asked, which gives us the answer 0.00078806 mole of permanganate. And for C, what is the molarity of the potassium permanganate? So we could tell from divided the N per volume, which is 30.74 milliliter, and we should convert it to liter, and it gives us 0.025 and 64 molar. Okay, so that's it. Thank you everyone. There is no failure except in no longer trying. Hope you have a great day.